Good morning. I'm so tired. What we gonna do today? I don't know yet.
Let's go, man.
Let's have some breakfast and let's think about what to do today.
Huh? Good. You wanna buy?
Yes.
Ma, you ready? Let's go. He's the boss. He's the boat boss. Boat, capitan. Are you capitan? Let's go. What? Sorry? Wanna touch? Reggaeton? Oh my days. Right. Where are we? So we are in Phang National Park. Afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm here with Sam from the UK and this lovely bunch of people. They're ready to scam us. We're gonna get scammed.
You can pay extra.
Snorkeling.
Yeah, you can pay extra.
Extra?
I can't swim.
And swimming game bond. You can pay in
700. What do we see?
No.
What do we see? What do we see? All of this for 700. All of it.
So you swim game bond, you can walking pay in National Park, one person 300 baht.
No walk, no pay.
No walk, no. What about this?
No walk, no pay.
We don't want to pay too much.
300.
No.
300.
300 นี่ถ้า you walk you pay no walk no pay no walk no pay
Okay.
any free ถ้า you eat you pay
We can have lunch here, yeah, of course.
then you pay
We have lunch there, which is fair enough. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, 1 4. We don't pay more than this. Yeah, look, this is what you. I show this to police. Yeah.
มึงเซ็น
1,400. The maximum we're gonna spend on this trip.
จ้า
My father police
โอ
officer.
เคจงพาลงเรือเชื่อติดกันสังกันสิ
My father police. You give me Thai price, yeah, not Phang price. No Phang.
พอนะมัน300มันแชร์กันมันแชร์ริ่งกัน
All right, there you go. We do 7.
Basically, it's 300. We're gonna come off like the park fee is 300. But if we stay on the boat, it's just the normal price.
Yeah, if we go to James Bond Island, that's a 300 one to walk around. I don't give a shit about James Bond. I don't care about James Bond.
Game bond walking นะ
No, I don't care about. I'm just better than James Bond. Man. I'm James Bond.
กว่าวิ่งเสียอันมีแต่โดยล้วนนะ
700.
นี่อะไรหรอกใจดีล่ะ
Hello, okay. All right, who's the boss? You boss man.
Hello, you come from?
Ticket. Italy.
Roma.
No, Roma. Yes. Sardinia. See you later, love. No, later. No beer. Oh, no beer. I get ting tong. I drink beer. I become ting tong. Me ting tong. Huh?
Are you from Italy?
Yeah, man.
What part of Italy?
Sardinia.
Oh my god, Sardinia.
You been there?
Yeah.
Saudi Cup? Yeah, Sardinia is wonderful, man.
Sardinia, the island.
Yes.
Oh no, I haven't been.
Better scene than this one.
Catania, I've been to Catania.
You've been to Sicily.
Yeah.
You been... Yeah. My boat?
Yeah, boat.
Okay. Hello. Come back.
Long tail.
Right. Good afternoon again. I wasn't going to make a vlog today. Didn't know what to do, and then things happen for a reason. We got ourselves a vlog. He's transporting eggs. Also, bringing this to James Bond Island. Yeah.
Oh, you taking this?
Yeah, goodies, man. This is gonna be expensive fried eggs.
Oh.
Expensive fried eggs. Right, let's go, man. This is gonna be interesting. See, the best thing happen when you don't plan. Totally unplanned this.
Yeah, I didn't know what to do, man.
I didn't put the alarm on the scooter, but it's okay.
My last night here.
I didn't put the alarm in the scooter. Hopefully I don't get robbed the scooter. Fuck. Alright. Hello sir, Stavadi Cup. Mechanic. Fix him. Engine, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the engine of this long tail, man. It's crazy. Alright, have a good day. Stavadi Cup. Hello, Capitan. Boatswain. The captain of the long boat.
Yeah?
Cap, Stavadi Cup. Alright. Whew. Can I sit here? Yeah. I like the sun.
Oh, yeah.
I like the sun. I like to take my shirt off.
Here for a little bit. Oh, boy.
Right, I'm getting naked. Ooh. Bumpy, bouncy, 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 bouncy. Right.
This is actually good.
You don't mind to be on YouTube, Sam?
Yeah, man.
Fuck yeah! Let's do this. Wow. Let me take all my clothes off.
Are you traveling solo?
Yes. Let's go! Check it out, guys. That's an abandoned hotel. You can squat there. Woohoo! Right, let's see where this man is gonna take us. James Bond Island. Who cares about James Bond? But there we go, we're gonna go and check it out. We're going there. Bam, 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 bam. This was a bargain. 10 euros each. Me and Sam got 10 euro each for this couple of hours. Worth it. Mr. Capitan! What's that? This rock? Oh wow. What is that rock? It's the shape of what?
It looks like a face.
He stopped to show us this rock. I don't see the I don't see the image. What's a picture? Right. What's that? Okay, let's go.
Water village, I think. You see it, the colors.
Yeah, that's busy. We can have lunch there. Fried rice, 300 baht.
You already know. I've been eating fried rice for about 7 days straight, man, and I'm not tired. Fried rice today, tomorrow, next week.
I do love rice. I do love rice. I don't eat it that often as well.
Coconut water as well.
Alright, man. Coconut water and rice. Let's go. Pork basil. Yeah, nice rock, mates. Let's go. Hello, white people! Let's go, Capital! Okay, this place is crazy. This floating village with lots of tourists there. Restaurant and fishermen villages. That's a mosque. I guess we are not stopping here. It's going around. Yes. Okay, Cap. It's gonna take us around. Yeah, do your thing, bro. Do your thing. So we will stop there. We will have some lunch over there later. Let's see. Maybe we can check one of those houses out from the villagers. There's birds. Don't see anything. The camera won't do much justice, but it is nice. So I just asked about sharks. There shouldn't be any sharks here. Wow, check it out, guys. Mangrove system. Rock formation.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a video over there.
Yeah, brother.
Video done.
Mangrove system. Amazing. Here we are, live.
Wow.
Woo!
Yes.
Saudi Cup. That's the boat station. It's a
Okay.
little boat station over there, I guess. Hello, white people. Smile. Oh, see, you can do lots of kayak here. That's cool. Today I wanted to do kayak, in fact, but
What is it?
yeah, all I went out is like, I'm gonna do some kayaking, which is gonna be super cool. I mean, it's not dangerous, but they have a guide.
Oh yeah.
I wanna do by myself. Wow, that's cool,
It's
man.
amazing. Have you jumped on?
Have you been to Rayleigh Beach before?
Yeah.
You see how they rock climb over there?
Krabi, yeah, from Krabi.
They rock climb there, it's crazy how they rock. Here there is nobody rock climbing, unfortunately, but look at this place, man. It's a little secret beach for swimming. Yeah, this water is greenish, bro. Looks like the Thames. It's like we are at the Thames. Just we are 10 kilometers away from London now. This is the Thames.
This is the thing. Yeah.
Dirty river. Oh, look, caves. That's some caves. That's a little. That's. Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies. No, no problem.
From Russia, they don't understand English.
Stand up. Lazy ladies, you should paddle yourself. Don't let the Thai man paddle you. Wow, this is a sinking boat. What the fuck was is this?
What is this?
It's crazy.
This is Titanic in Thailand.
Wow.
What the hell?
I mean, look at these cliffs, man. These cliffs are insane. And those cliffs over there are crazy. It's huge, bro. Wow. What a place. Dirty water. Yeah, the water is not the cleanest, as you can see. I'm from Sardinia, so...
But the thing is, yeah, the color actually matches the environment.
Yeah, it's
Because
tropical.
red.
It's all tropical.
Yeah, it's a tropical
It's in
color.
rocks and palms. Yeah. There's no white sand.
Sardinia, like,
We are-
I haven't been here, but I've seen pictures.
We all have white sand
Oh my
beach.
God, this is crazy.
Only white sand beach.
Crazy.
I'm picky. This is a bit brownish to me, but it's okay. It's the tropicals. Where are you taking us, bro? I wanna go home. You're taking us to the open sea. Fucking hell, man. Where are you taking us? We can't go that far. I think it's going to do the loop. I hope so. Where are we going? Oh, holy shit. If the camera goes in the water, bye-bye YouTube, I'm not getting it. Yahoo! I think this is the best 10 euros I've ever spent. Holy smokes, this is bumpy! This is James Bond Island. There you go.
No, is it free? 300 baht. No, we're not, no. We're just looking.
Yeah, maybe we stop for lunch later somewhere, no? Lunch, food? You eat with us?
Football. Yeah. So
Later.
that over to side.
Later. Yeah, we can look. Can we go closer? Can we just go around the rock? Go, brother, go. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. Yeah, we are not stopping here. One, because they ask you for extra money just to walk around, just to walk on the beach full of tourists. You can't see it from here, obviously, but I can, and I am not envy them. Crazy too much palang. James Bond Island. Who cares? There you go. Check it out. Full of tourists. Check it out. We ain't stopping here because they ask you for extra money.
Yeah, they asked me. It's 300 baht.
300 baht.
And this was 700 for the whole experience. Did you see?
Yeah, pointless.
700 for the whole experience. You know why it's called James
We
Bond
like
Island?
it. Pardon?
Do you know why it's called James Bond Island?
I think it's because they filmed the movie here.
Okay. Oh, maybe one of those 007 films.
James Bond movie 007, yeah. It was filmed here.
Halle Berry come out the water.
It was filmed here, yes. Wow, look at that. These are the gems that you can find in southern Thailand. And you can find also nice people like Sam in southern Thailand. Hello, brother! Nice dreads! Ah, that's the pier. That's another pier with another hundreds of white people with elephant pants on. This is Fisherman Village. What's the name of this?
Philly.
Huh?
It's called Philly, I think. Finny or Finny.
Finny.
Finny, yeah.
It is fisherman, not fisherman town. What the fuck? I don't know. Yeah, there's definitely fishermen here. It's all about fish. There's all this fishing nets going on. Saudi Cup. Right, we're stopping here for lunch, I think. There we go. And let's get some clothes on. How much time we have here? How much time?
1 hour. Okay.
1 hour. You want some food? You want lunch?
No.
You sure?
After you.
Yeah, come, but you can have some food as well. Why you stay here waiting for us? I'll give you a...
It's not a bit professional.
Where's my shirt? I'll buy you lunch. Guys, let's go. You wait, be David with us. Come, what's your name? Your name?
Marlin.
Marlin.
Yeah.
Marlin, nice to meet you, Marlin. Let's go have some food. You like rice, noodles, pork, prawns? Not.
Floating village. Floating village.
Floating village, guys. Welcome to the floating village. Let's get some munch over here. Ah,
สวยมากๆโอ้พูด
good.
โอ้
สวัสดีครั
ส
บ
วัสดีครับโอ้โอเค beautiful
Ah, let's go, guys. Check it out. All these long-tail boats. Must be some fish inside this cage. What's in here? What's all this? Adikap? Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Hello. Wow, what a big place. Oh, wow, check it out. We got some lobsters and crabs and clams. Clams and crab, big crab. Little crab. Little crab, big crab. We eat, yes. We're gonna have a little walk and then we sit down to have a little munch.
You have a nice view. You can sit there.
Yeah, we can sit by the, yeah. Huh? We can go there. What's that? Ah, that's a buffet. I don't know. Finish. No problem. We do it again. Oh wow, look at this. We got some tourist traps. Tourist traps. Paddy cap. Wow, check it out. Hello. There's dresses. And here we go. Nice cliff. Can't see much. Yeah, let's go get some food then. Huh? We go right here, yeah. Ah. Sadika, how are you? Sabadi mai. Are you Thai?
Thailand.
You from Thailand? Okay. That's a Muslim Thailand. No, because she's wearing. I thought she's a Muslim.
Oh, because she coming from Indonesia or Malaysia.
Yeah, she's Thai Muslim. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm like, oh, you Thai or tourist traps? Yeah. Guys, do not come here and buy elephant pants. Do not buy these, guys. Yeah. What is the that looks like a ganja plant. Oh, be aware of the cat. Oh my days. Be aware of the cat. You have been warned. It's crazy. Check that out. Look at that sign. Be aware of the cat. You have been warned. Where is that cat? Is it like is it a little tiger? How long? Oh, I hit that.
Inside the house.
Saudi Cup. Very good, huh? No weed here, no plants. No wheat farm. It's a bar, Saudi Cup. Village people, Saudi Cup. Just Bond Island. What? What's the tea? How much? Oh, whatever. I'm not gonna buy a t-shirt. I'm not gonna buy the t-shirt. I'm not gonna buy a t-shirt. What, do you need a t-shirt? Ah, don't worry. It's all for the food.
I want to see the mosque.
Oh, he's
They
making.
have too much things here for. I don't know. Do people visit here that much?
Yeah, well, it gets. Yeah. Hello, birdie. Hello, birdie. Saudi Cup. Hello. Bellina. Hello, birdie. Don't be afraid. It's only me. Hi. We're just cruising to this little fishing village, guys. Look, check it out. There's somebody lives in there. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah, that doesn't look safe.
Yeah.
That's a hammock as well.
God damn. I don't know. It's a little 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven?
No, man.
Oh, I was
Can't
gonna lose
find
my
that.
mind. On this island, on the floating village, 7-Eleven.
Hello.
Oh my god.
So many dresses, so many things. All I would buy it's a bracelet for my ankle, so that's what I would buy. Any of these, but these are not very nice.
I have size.
They're not my favorite.
This one.
What the cup?
สวัสดีค่ะช้อปปิ้งค่ะ cheaper
Cheaper.
cheaper for you this one
Cheaper for me, cause I'm not Phang.
okay for you
Okay, when we
You
come
want
back.
Yeah,
when we
beautiful
come back-
man,
when we
beautiful
come-
shirt.
When we come, we go in there, coming back. Yeah.
no come
Beautiful
back.
man, beautiful shirt.
I know money I discount for you buy
No, when
now
we're
okay.
coming back. When we come
No,
back.
from this way.
We're gonna go
You
this
come
way.
back okay I see you nah
I see you now. Can I sleep here 15 minutes? No. Ko tapapang kata-kata-kata.
Where's the mosque?
Oh, what's this? Hello. Nice. Can I look? Oh, nice. It's your house. Your house, beautiful, huh? Yeah. Look at this big thing. What animal? Buffalo, huh? Buffalo head. Red like a Rasta. Yeah, man. Safe, brother. Italy. Saudi Cup, man.
Muslim, man. Hello, Muslim, man.
Dimak, huh? What's that?
Muslim, man.
Muslim? Muslim?
Christian or Muslim?
No, Muslim.
Christian.
Christian, okay.
Cristiano.
Christian.
Hello.
Nice.
Yeah, you have a beautiful day, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Ciao. Ah. Kanawaru. Yeah. Oh. Hello, how are you, Saudi Mai? Good, Dimak.
Interesting place, man.
Yeah. Saudi Cup. Saudi Mai. Saudi Mai, hello. Hello, madam. Too much shop, huh? Too much shop everywhere. Looks like a mall. Looks like a MBK mall in Bangkok. Look at this. It'll be a low tide. Very muddy low tide. There's some crab. That's where they get the crabs from.
Cheap crab. Oh,
Look, prawns, crabs, prawns. Look at
What
that,
animal is that?
bro. That's
That looks like a baby fish.
they're like walking fish. There's thousands of them. Yeah, they're gonna put you on the seafood fried rice, bro. I don't wanna get it.
I'm gonna get chicken fried rice.
That's what they. Yeah, definitely chicken.
Yeah, definitely chicken, man.
We're not eating. We're not even gonna eat that. Not today, man. Not today. I haven't had Deli Belly in a while. I haven't had food poisoning in a blood. I really want 7-Eleven.
Oh yeah.
I really want a 7-Eleven t-shirt.
Yeah.
I need to get a 7-Eleven eventually. How much 7-Eleven?
Just there.
Hello, how much 7-Eleven t-shirt?
250, yeah.
250?
Yeah.
100.
100.
250.
Yeah, 200. I load at 200.
200. Okay, let me think about it. I might want this. It's nice.
Yeah, it is nice. Or you could get a vest if they have a vest. But anything that says 7-Eleven like this,
Yeah.
7-Eleven is like an icon of Thailand.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we walk. When I come back, I might buy this, okay? Yeah, no. In a bit, see, 200. I do so honor. She really want me to buy now. She's holding me. She's kidnapping me. Oh my God. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? But I want this one. I come back, okay?
Thailand.
No Thailand. No, 7-Eleven better. 7-Eleven much better. Yeah. Okay. Let me. Okay. On my way back, I'll buy because I don't want to carry now. Okay. I'm on my way back. I buy. Okay. Sabadi. This is what? Oh, what guys? Hey, you crazy little pussycat. Hello, pussycat. Look, we got Liverpool fans, man. We go Salah, Mo Salah. Oh my God, Ian, look at this.
Wow.
This is my friends from London who is a Liverpool fan. Wow, here, look. This is for you, Ian. We are at in a fisherman village somewhere here in the middle of the Gulf of Thailand. And look at this. You got some Liverpool fans in Thailand, bro. You never walk alone.
Floating village.
You never walk alone. Floating village. I keep forgetting. I keep messing this man.
The same fisherman floating.
He's doing TikTok.
Oh, he's doing content.
He's doing some TikTok. Good man. Good man. Lots of buffalo heads. Everybody has a buffalo head in the window. Stand up. Nice mustache. Dimak. Reggae music. Oh, look at this, man.
What's that?
Hello, birdie. Hey. Wow.
He's never seen foreigners before.
Wow, good bird. Hello, bird. I like you. Wow.
Hello.
Saudi Cup? Yeah. We're coming. I can't have electricity here. Assalamualaikum. I have no big bag. I don't carry this, madam. I travel light. Souvenir. I'm not Phang. I live Thailand. Hello, single mama.
Yeah,
two baby. Oh, single mama.
Two baby, single mom.
How old are you?
30.
Who?
30.
What?
Salah? No.
Take photo.
Mode Salah.
Okay, take photo.
We can take photo, but I don't have to see like this. Good?
Okay.
Because we don't. In the middle of this floating village, we have a Muslim mosque. Because this is a Muslim community. Wow, it's fascinating. And this is a cemetery of mosque painting island, Darussalam. Look, we have some. It's a Muslim cemetery there. Rest in peace. No cry. Oh, no cry. Wow. Hadi kap. Hello, birdie.
I can imagine
That's a big rooster, man.
I can imagine your YouTube is gonna be so funny.
Hey, little baby duckies.
What they eating is so big.
Wow, look at that thing. Damn. It's got. Saudi Cup. Assalamu alaikum. Can we walk here? Look. Kapong Cup.
Football. Oh yeah, there's football. Football is over there.
It's a kidnapped pigeon on a cage. Wow.
So now we're heading to the football pitch. There's a football pitch as well on this floating village.
That's crazy, huh?
There's a
Food.
mosque, there's a football pitch, there's restaurants, there's a market, there's a community. It's crazy, like, it's just mad. It's literally crazy.
Wow.
I think there's a school as well.
Training center. Ethic training center.
A floating village.
Hello, shopping.
Hello, hey, shopping too much.
Where is it? Shop me. Good price, 50 baht.
50
baht. 50 baht, 1 hour massage.
Anything you do, you throw massage in. I went to a restaurant yesterday. I was eating and there's massage on the side. It was not crazy, everything. If you want a beach, you want food, you want massage, you have everything in Thailand. Anything you want. You want a drink, you want some weed.
Yes, you can fly the cassette. Yeah. Thailand has everything for you.
Oh my god.
Thailand literally has everything.
Is it a floating
I don't know. I can't even see. Ah, yeah. Pick up. Wow. Football pitch in the middle of the floating village. That's crazy, man. Wow. Would you believe? Would you guess that there was a football pitch here? If you play good.
Where you create content, man, it's funny.
Yeah, plus I socialize with people. I like to engage with the people. So Indian people, I'm gonna go nuts with them. Hello everyone.
Hello. You've got good
Hello.
energy, that's why. You're so like free, you're a free person, man.
Okay, is it I don't know, is it dead end? Hello! You like my hair? You wanna buy?
You wanna buy?
You can cut a little bit. Need noi.
Oh shit.
You can cut need noi. Saudi Cup. Okay, we should say Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
It's better to say, yeah, I'm actually, they probably prefer to say Salam alaikum, the Saudi Cup. It's better to, it's more respectful. Do not record video or live streaming inside this classroom. Ah, it's cool. Okay, we won't. No problem, we'll film myself.
I think it's
We're not gonna film the kids, obviously. We're not gonna film kids. Hello, everybody. What's going on? Another football more. School. Kindergarten in the floating village. Wow.
Take photo.
Hello, kids. Hey, little boy. Hey, little boy, pass the ball, pass the ball. Pass the ball, pass the ball. Hey! Come on, come on. Strong, strong, strong. Hey! Good man, good man. Oops. Very good. Hello, little girl.
This come for shopping for education. You look.
Oh.
Nice.
But I don't need this, amore mio, I don't need this. I have too
For
much.
education.
I travel very light, you know. I travel very light. I don't have luggage.
Ni you look.
I don't travel with luggage. So cannot.
Make
Cannot. I cannot.
okay.
No, I don't need this, amore. I don't need it.
Education. เนี่ยผับได้
For education, I give you. No, I don't need this, but I give you 50 baht.
โอเคไหนอ่ะ
Yeah, for education. We're gonna check out the classrooms and I'm gonna give my little tip. Oh. Assalamualaikum. So this is the school. This is the school in the floating village where the kids are learning. Kids are learning. The kids are learning. It's a full class of kids learning. I'm gonna give them 50
I
baht.
feel like they make so much kids here.
No, I don't want. I don't need. But I give you 40 baht tip.
Okay.
Okay? No need nothing. 2020, we share. Share a little tip, okay? We share little tip. I cannot. Me no rich man.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum.
They want your hair. You don't want they don't
Ciao.
want your tip. They want
What are you
your
doing?
hair.
Okay. I thought you give me back my money. Oh, you don't want to go with Mama? You can come with me. Sorry, Kap.
We're gonna get lost in this.
Yeah, it's time for my Sabadi. Sorry, Kap. Hello. How are you? What are you watching? Movie. Cheeky movie, huh? Naughty, naughty. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Hello. Well, so many shops. I feel like I'm in Bangkok.
I can't tell if it's cheap or expensive. That's the problem. Because I haven't shopped.
Wow, it's scary. It goes on and on. Well, how big is this place?
How do we get back?
Yeah, we need to go all the way back. I think this is the dead end. Wow, it's massive. Now I should. I can't even buy any clothes actually because my luggage is. Oh, shopping. I don't have luggage. I travel with like 5 kilos.
5 kilos, yeah. Because they
I have a rucksack.
Yeah, they have 7 kg limit.
Ciao, amore, ciao. I have a rucksack, so I can't even buy one t-shirt now. If I buy one t-shirt, I am in trouble. I don't have any space to buy anything. I do this on purpose, so I don't have to buy souvenirs for nobody. I don't buy nothing for myself. I don't have space, no spend money. I have space only in my belly.
My belly.
Cinque. Yeah. Original nata. Too much shopping here, yeah? You guys need to chill out with this shop.
Where you going?
You guys need to relax.
Back to the
Yeah, where? And here? No good? No good?
I need football field.
Fit again, football field. No, we're gonna go this way then.
boat is this way.
We check the end of it.
The beginning of the boat.
You think we should go? We should go back. Yeah, we should go back.
Yeah.
Can you go this way?
Up to you.
Okay. Ciao.
We need to go to the boat.
Nice teeth, yeah, very nice.
Because of the time. Because we haven't
Yeah, we have to go. Yeah, the guy. I'm
eaten
gonna tip the guy anyway. Fuck. What can I do? Yeah, I haven't eaten anything, man. I had a fried egg and at the hotel where I'm staying. They give me free breakfast. Thank the guy was like super
Are you
nice.
staying close to where you came?
I'm staying in Panga town. Panga town. Exit this way.
Go left. Left. This way.
What is smoking?
No.
Oh. No.
You're the police.
The police. Careful.
Italian police.
Italian police officer.
Italiano.
Toilet. I don't need the toilet. Strange, but I don't need the toilet. Well, we are lost. We know. You know the way.
I've got photographic memory, so.
Very good. I don't.
I know you don't.
I need some fried rice. I need something in my belly. Some water, actually. I'm thirsty. Alright, guys. You have seen enough of this floating market.
Nah, it's actually a full market. But I feel like they just.
Ooh. Beep beep, permesso.
I feel like they just sell so much things though.
Yeah.
It's like there's not even enough people
A little
to
bit
buy.
too much. It's too much competition.
There's not enough people to buy.
Too much competition. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Too much competition you have. No good.
You're not. So how long does it take you to edit?
Ah, a couple of hours.
Okay.
Yesterday it took me a while because I baked before I did a mistake. I smoked a joint before editing yesterday, so it took me 5 hours, but it's okay. No, my luggage.
Yeah, money.
Money, no luggage. I don't know where to put it. I don't know where to put it. I'm really sorry. I love you. I don't want to. I love you. I don't know what to do with that. I love you. Amore mio, no! Cannot!
I'm gonna face my one in the front. That lady in the front, do you remember? I'm gonna face that one as well. I feel like the things here.
I feel sorry because I said that I was going to buy one, but I think about it. I really cannot. I really cannot.
Stuff here a little bit expensive because it's on a floating island.
I cannot. Yeah, of course, everything is imported. I guess.
More pricier here.
I cannot.
I need to get this white one.
Wow. As soon as they look at my hair, they comment. Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh no.
Hola. Oh, don't look at like that. The happy. Happy. 300 to be happy? No. That's not. You can't ask money to be happy. Be happy. No, 300 baht for happiness. If you wanna be happy in this village, you gotta pay 300 baht. Otherwise, no happy. Oh, you got prawns, dry prawns. Prawn. Look, it's dry. It's dry. This is dry prawn. Ah. Dry prawn. Can I try? I try? Kapong kap. Mac. Yeah, right back. Kapong kap. Hello guys. Oh, fun. We got some I'm sorry, I had to spit it out because I don't really trust it.
Oh, see.
She make me try the prawn, man. It tasted alright actually, but let's give it to the fish.
Oh yeah, you don't like.
I only chewed a little bit, I didn't swallow it. I love fish, I'm from Sardinia, bro. All I eat is fish. But not from sewage water.
The fish from this place are extra.
Yeah, look where the prawns come from, bro. I'm not having it.
You're gonna end up in.
I'm not having it. I spit it out. I'm sorry. I never do things like this, like spit food out, but no. Lovely.
Lovely.
Right. Look you cat. Look at this posh. This is posh. This is tourist trap. They have the fiona to scare the monkeys, the thingy to scare the monkeys away. Like they have in India.
So what part of India did you visit?
Kerala, Goa.
Oh, Goa. Okay. Have you been
Goa and Kerala.
Have you done Golden Triangle?
Golden Triangle, no.
Golden something, yeah. Golden
No.
something.
Brother, no. You want food? Food? Come. Come food, come eat. No? Okay, come back soon. Right, we're stopping here with Sam to eat some lunch in a breezy afternoon. You can breathe some fresh air here. It's so nice. Wow. It might rain as well later on. Who knows? Right. How's the cap? Right, it's coming up with the boy. We're gonna get some nice. We're gonna try to find a quick meal. Thank you. Sawadee Kap. How are you? Sawadee Mai. Good. D-Mac, man. It's big menu, huh? Yeah. One here, one here. Nice one.
Okay. You can take a look first for me. Then.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your name?
Min.
Min. Okay, say Min. All right, Min. I'll see you soon, Min.
Okay.
All right. Let's check out this. Look, that's where we are right now. This is the floating village. See, I don't have a drone, so this is it, guys. This is like my drone footage. And we are now eating somewhere here. And we walk all the way inside this place. So as I was saying to Mr. Sam over here, that we do road travel vlogs here. Yeah, don't expect too much from me. Don't expect Min. It's Mr. Min. Guys, for those who don't know this beverage, Thai tea. Ingredients, don't ask me.
Don't ask me.
It's got milk in it. Oh my god, this is so good. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Cheers, big ears. That's nice and refreshing. Chicken fried rice with a nice flour. I've never seen it before. Oh, copyright! You don't know my video. Oh, Capitan, my Capitan. Yeah, we're getting loose. Ready to depart. Can I drive? Can I drive the boat? Me drive. I want to drive. Hey, sabay, 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 sabay. Let's go, my Capitan. Let's go. We're saying goodbye to the floating village. See you later. It's been emotional. Very interesting place. Muslim community. You all should come and check it out. But maybe avoid lunch. Just bring your own food. Just have a walk around and go home. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little adventure today with my new friend Sam over here. He's traveling in Thailand with a car.
Oh, yeah.
Big up yourself.
With a car.
Big up yourself. Not many tourists do this with a car in Thailand. That's a new to me. Goodbye from James Bond Island. See you on the next one. Here we are, back in the mainland. Back in the mainland. Thank you to the captain. Good captain. Good man. Oh. Good man. I'm gonna take the rubbish.
El Capitan.
Rubbish. Thank you, Capitan.
Thank you.
Wait. Where do you go? Where do you go?
I think he didn't know we're gonna tip him.
We're gonna give you this.
And
I think it's coming back. He wants it. He wants it.
obviously, he just did not know he's a humble guy in there. So he didn't know we're gonna tip him in there.
Hey, brother. Not a lot. Just a little tip, eh? Extra for you.
Thank you.
There you go, man.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Little bit. Need no only, okay? Kapung kap. Thank you, Capitan.
Capitan.
So, thank you so much, okay? Bye bye.
Bye bye, baby.
High five me. High five me. Okay, you too.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, sister.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy ice cream.
See you tomorrow.
Don't need too many of those because you get a little chubby, baby. Oh, bless her. You get a little chubby. Stop eating too much. All right, man.
Anyways, bro, nice to meet
Sam,
you, man.
pleasure to meet you, brother. We say goodbye. We say farewell now for good. See you guys. Enough.